Hey guys, what's going on and welcome back to our channel. The most luxurious and practical mode of transportation has arrived. Helicopters reign supreme whenever it comes to point-to-point travel. Choppers are a rare form of transportation since they allow not only air travel, but also access to the most remote locations where aircraft are unable to land or take off. This is critical in major cities where traffic delays are a daily occurrence. Get inspired by having a look at the 5 most expensive helicopters in the world. Number 5. Bell 525 Relentless. This aircraft from the 21st century sets a new standard for flight. Bell Textron is designing the Bell 525 Relentless, an American medium-lift helicopter. In February 2012, the Bell 525 was unveiled at the 2012 Heli Expo in Dallas, Texas. The helicopter took to the skies for the first time on July 1st, 2015. It has the capacity to carry up to 19 people. This beautiful transport weighs 20,500 pounds, has a maximum speed of 190 miles per hour, and a single-engine flyaway capability with compact cabin configurations. Bell 525 has the superior payload and range capability, and there's a lot of visibility. Everything meets or exceeds industry expectations. For $15 million, you can have the luxury of a flying conference room. The Bell 525 Relentless is no exception, as it not only provides plenty of space, but also provides an impressive view thanks to its wide windows. It has cutting-edge controls, including a voice command feature. The 525 Relentless will earn certification this year, capping a 10-year development campaign for the Super Medium Twin helicopter. 525 Program Manager Byron Ward, speaking on a company video, says that great progress has been made towards certification in 2020 with the drive system as well as bird strike, lightning, and exhaustion checks all completed. According to him, the primary focus is now on flight testing with the FAA in the cockpit. In mid-year 2021, we plan to provide all the certification artifacts to the FAA to ultimately achieve type certification, he says. Number 4. Airbus H215 Super Puma. With a price tag of $15.5 million, the Airbus H215 Super Puma is the world's 4th most expensive helicopter, just edging out the Bell 525. It can also comfortably seat 19 people and runs at a maximum speed of 162 miles per hour. This model is used to fly VIP passengers all over the world. High rollers would want to equip their Super Puma with kitchens, offices, and lavish lounges so they can savor every moment of their flight above the clouds. The Super Puma has also stood the test of time. The main rotor was strengthened with composite metal to make it more resistant to damage, and the fuselage was coated with a crash-worthy engine compartment to keep passengers protected in any situation. The chopper is equipped with soundproof upholstery, allowing passengers to enjoy a quiet ride regardless of the weather. This is in addition to an innovative heating and ventilation system that keeps everyone comfortable for the duration of the flight, and many of the world's most influential people have selected the Super Puma for its incredible combination of protection and comfort over the years. At one time or another, the presidents of Brazil and France, as well as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, have all used a Super Puma as their official transportation. Number 3. Sikorsky S-92 Cougar. The Sikorsky S-92 is the world's 3rd most expensive helicopter, costing a whopping $17.7 million. It's also a popular option among heads of state. While it was created to enable oil and gas companies to explore offshore drilling areas, it is now used for a variety of purposes. It has a huge range of 620 miles, allowing gas companies to travel far from the coast without refueling. This is remarkable given the flying tank weighs 26,500 pounds and has a top speed of 190 miles per hour, as well as spacious leather seats and plenty of legroom for its 10 passengers. The S-92 is one of the most opulent helicopters in the sky. Also, it was one of the first helicopters to use active vibration control. Vibration sensors are installed in the S-92 to ensure that passengers have one of the smoothest rides in the sky, even in choppy weather. Because of its stability, it is an excellent option for governments all over the world, including Canada, Ireland, Japan, and Kuwait. In reality, the S-92 is so dependable that it competed against other choppers in search and rescue missions, defeating machines from Boeing Eurocopter and the Royal Norwegian Air Force. The National Aeronautics Association awarded Sikorsky the Collier Trophy in 2002, honoring its achievements in safety, operating costs, and travel comfort. The trifactor created a massive demand, with the world's wealthiest people claiming it to get their hands on one of the most impressive helicopters money can buy. Number 2, AgustaWestland AW101 VVIP. The AgustaWestland AW101 is ranked second on our list and costs $21 million. With enough space for 24 passengers, the AW101 has the largest cabin in its class. This helicopter can reach speeds of 192 miles per hour and has a range of 518 miles thanks to 3 huge turbine engines. AgustaWestland produced both a military and a civilian variant of this helicopter, as it does with most helicopters. The civilian model is known for its elegance and attention to detail. In fact, their luxury version is known as the AW101 VVIP, which means it's only for the most important people in the world. This cabin has a full bathroom and shower, as well as double seats with plenty of leg space. The head of state of Turkmenistan, Algeria, Saudi Arabia, and Nigeria all own a VVIP model. This helicopter also has white leather seats and enough room for a kitchen crew to cook gourmet meals for whoever is fortunate enough to be on board. The AW101 was first launched in 1999, and it remains one of the most common helicopters in the sky today. Number 1, the Airbus H225 Super Puma. The Airbus H225 Super Puma is the world's most costliest helicopter. With a weight of over 11 tons, this is by far the largest version in the Super Puma family. This helicopter, which has a price tag of $27 million and a top speed of 201 miles per hour, is a favorite of wealthy business people. In terms of size and price, it's also one of the fastest choppers on the market. Optional leather chairs, in-flight entertainment systems, hardwood tables, and silk curtains are available on the H225's luxury model. If you want to take the H225 to higher elevations in the north, the blades and rotors have an anti-icing device to keep passengers secure, and the cockpit has incredible views. The H225 is a high-performance hybrid vehicle. Several states, including Denmark, England, Spain, and Norway, use this chopper. The H225 Super Puma is without a doubt one of the most outstanding helicopters on the planet. If you think you can afford any of these aerial beauties yourself one day, then let us know in the comments section below. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And with that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye now!